Hey Bear Bull traders, happy Friday. I'm going to do a recap of two trades I took today. So the first one is a 5-minute orb, ADSK, very expensive stock, big opening wick. I usually don't take these orbs on big opening wicks. This thing was like $8 or something. But I caught it on a 5-minute orb, got this pop, and then I was all out. But let's look deeper. So what did I actually see on the 1-minute chart here? This was some sort of a flag looking thing, in my opinion. And you know, it lost VWAP, but it came back so strong that it reestablished the VWAP, and it's a big gap up, right? So I went long at 938 on this entry here, and then it just popped up so fast. This is like a $2 move here, and this is why I don't like to trade expensive stocks, because $2 is not that much if you're taking a fraction of the shares. But I just got it all off, and then I was all out. And then I saw it doing this type of deal. I thought it was going to be a flag up like this, like a Tetris shape. But I ended up, you know, it got a little pop, and then it couldn't just break, and then it started selling. So I got the rest out there. Then I realized after the fact, okay, it wasn't going to do a Tetris move. It was actually going to do one of these things here, right? And then as soon as the consolidation was done, it was going to pop up. So I saw that. I didn't take it. I was calling it in the chat. I said, you know, ADSK is probably going to pop above that, right? But if you saw it on the 5-minute chart, that actually is probably just this here, right? And you got the pop up there. So that ended up just being another flag formation there, which gave us a new high of the day. So yeah, 5-minute orb ends up just being a 1-minute ABCD, right? Let's take a look at a SPLK. This thing broke all-time highs today. Another big gap up, and as you can see, I traded it on a 15-minute orb. So it broke the body, and I got all out here at the all-time highs. So let's take a look deeper. Let's go inside, Inception. What did I see on the 5? So it orbed out on the 5. Solid 3 white candles, and then it gave us a red candle, and this thing was engulfing at one point. It looked like it could crack, but you really need to watch the time for those, right? Because sometimes it will just be a bottom wick. If the candle's not going to close like this, then you know you don't want to be on the wrong side of that, right? So watch the time for those engulfings. Anyways, I saw this this formation, right? This was a flag. So I said, okay, as soon as this gives a new 5-minute high, I'm going long. Boom! Everyone else saw that, volume came in, and then I started scaling out, and again, it's a $2 move or so, but it's not much on this expensive of a stock. And I was all out here at the all-time highs. I wish I had held, because as you can see, it just kept going, right? And right now I think it's 125 something here. So yeah, all white candles. Really, no reason to get out. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways, yeah. So 5-minute ABCD ends up being a 15-minute orb. Anyways, that's my recap. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everyone has a great weekend.